Hello, I am Amy Mustafa from Ornate Pixels. With over 35 years of deep experience in electronics and circuit design, I am here to bring your ideas to life with professional precision. Today, I am showing on my precision designs a field-tested 5-channel audio equalizer. I have been using this design personally for over 9 years. And it is meticulously optimized with star grounding for high-end zero noise performance. Star grounding 1, 2, 3, 4. And the design is 100% error-free and production-ready, passing all design rules check with 0 errors. Ready to take your next project to the professional level? Let's collaborate and bring your ideas to life. Order now exclusively on Fiverr. The link is in the video description and pinned comments.